हेलो लर्नर्स, आपकी मैम आ चुकी हैं सैम्पल पेपर के क्वेश्चंस लेके। तो आज हम सैम्पल पेपर के एमसीक्यूज़ ट्राई करने वाले हैं। तो कितने एमसीक्यूज़ आते हैं? 20 एमसीक्यूज़ आते हैं। तो हम ट्राई करते हैं 20 एमसीक्यूज़ जल्द से जल्द कंप्लीट करने का। लेट्स स्टार्ट। यस, सी क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। अ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल हुज जीरोज आर गिवन, वी नीड टू फॉर्म अ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल। ओके, हमें स्ट्रक्चर पता है। जब भी हमें क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल बनाना होता है तो हमें उसका स्ट्रक्चर पता है। क्या होता है वो? एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस सम ऑफ रूट्स इनटू एक्स प्लस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रूट्स। दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल। अब हमें एक ऐसा क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल बनाना है जिसके जीरोज ये हैं, तो जीरोज पता होंगे तो हम सम ऑफ जीरोज निकाल लेंगे। यस, सम ऑफ जीरोज विल बी 4 and product of zeros will be 4 minus 3, that is 1. Yes or no? Yes. Now we will put the value of sum of zeros and product of zeros in this expression to get the polynomial. So x square minus 4 into x plus 1. So which is the correct option? Option B is the correct answer. Yes or no, learners? Yes. Now try question number second. Yes, quickly try question number second and comment your answer in the comment section. The LCM of two numbers is 2 times the HCF. It is given the relation that LCM is equals to 2 times the HCF. This is the relation provided in the question. Okay. If the product of the two numbers is 7200, हमें relation पता है दो नंबर और उनके HCF और LCM के बीच में। वो relation क्या होता है? The product of that two numbers is equals to the product of HCF and LCM. This is the relation we already know. In the given question we have the product that is 7200 और हमें HCF और LCM में relation पता है, तो हम LCM की जगह twice of HCF नहीं लिख सकते because LCM is equals to twice of HCF. यहाँ से आपको क्या मिलेगा? 7200 divided by 2 is equals to HCF का square. HCF into HCF will be HCF का square. Simplifying this you will get 3600. तो HCF की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3600 will be 60. Yes or no? So we got the HCF. Okay, they are asking the HCF and LCM of the two numbers. So HCF is 60 and LCM is twice the HCF, that is 120. This is clear to you? I hope your answer was correct. Yes? Okay, now try question number 3. Yes, learners. Question number 3. See question number 3. The value of k for the system has infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution की condition क्या होती है? a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. This is the condition of infinitely many solution. Means the line is coinciding each other. If the lines are coinciding each other, they have the same equation. Yes. Okay, so we need to find out the value of k for which the system has infinitely many solution. Okay, यहाँ से आप a1 की वैल्यू बताओ 1. Okay, a2 की वैल्यू 3, b1 की वैल्यू 1, b2 की वैल्यू k, C1 की वैल्यू माइनस के, ओके, C2 की वैल्यू माइनस 9. यही हमारे पास रिलेशन है. अच्छा, के की ऐसी क्या वैल्यू होगी सो दैट ये रिलेशन सेटिस्फाई हो? पहले हम आगे की इक्वालिटी को सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें के की वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी? 3. क्या ये पीछे की इनइक्वालिटी के लिए भी वैलिड है? हम देख लेते हैं. 1/3 इज इक्वल्स टू k/3, k/9. तो यहाँ से भी के की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? 3. इट मीन्स द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज विच? डी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Yes or no, learners? These questions are very easy, na? Okay. Now see question number 4. In the given figure, if DE is parallel to BC, okay, if the lines are parallel, it means this angle is equals to this angle. Yes or no? Also this angle is equals to this angle by corresponding angles. Okay, there is use of this. Yes, because we need to prove these two triangles similar. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity, or you can write by SAS similarity, or you will apply BPT because the lines are parallel to each other. You know basic proportionality theorem. If the line is parallel to the third side of the triangle, it will divide the another two sides in the same ratio. This is the relation of parallel line. If the line is parallel to the third side, it will divide the another two sides in the same ratio. This is called BPT or Thales theorem. You already know. So we can prove these two triangles congruent by either AA, either SAS, or bus. Okay, by two criteria. Okay, so in this given figure we need to find out EC. Okay, if the triangles are similar, their sides will be proportional. Yes or no? Yes. From here you can write DE over BC is equals to AE over AC. Yes or no? Yes. And DE, value of DE is 4, the value of BC is 8, value of AE is given as 3, and the value of AC can be written as 3 plus EC. Yes or no? Yes. Now you can simplify it to get the value of EC. So the value of EC will be 3 centimeter. Which option? Yes, A option. Okay, learners, this is clear to you? Okay, now see, read question number 5. It is visible to you, right? Yes, read it. The value of the discriminant for this quadratic equation. Okay, we know what is the meaning of discriminant. Yes, discriminant tells us the nature of roots. If the discriminant is greater than 0, we have real and distinct roots. If the discriminant is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal, and the discriminant is less than 0, it means no real root exists. This is the relation I already told you. But in this question, they are asking the value of the discriminant. So we will need to find out b square minus 4ac. Okay, for that we need to identify what is a, what is b, and what is c in this equation. So the value of b is minus root 2 plus 1 ka whole square. This is the value of b. This is the value inside a bracket. This is the value of b minus 4a. A value is 1. C value is root 2. Yes. Now we need to simplify it. Minus square is always positive, so no need to put minus sign before this expression. So you will expand this with the help of algebraic identity. Root 2 plus 1 whole square will be 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now simplifying it more, you will get 3 minus 2 root 2. Which option is correct? Yes, option D. Yes or no, learners? Getting it or not? Yes. Now see question number 6. The value of cos theta is given as 2 by 3. Okay, they are asking to find out tan square theta. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, we know that cos is the reciprocal of sec, or we can say that sec is the reciprocal of cos. Yes or no? So the value of sec theta will be 3 by 2 from here. Yes or no? Yes. We know the identity that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Yes, we need to find out tan square theta. So tan square theta will be sec square theta minus 1. Yes, we have the value of sec theta. So we can find out the value of sec square theta. It will be 3 by 2 ka whole square minus 1. That is 9 by 4 minus 1. Very good. So it is going to be 5 by 4. Which option is correct? Yes, learners. Yes, it is option A. Yes or no? Yes. Now see next question. Yes, learners, read it out. Okay. Learning. Yes, see in question number 7. 11. Okay. They are asking 11 bracket cot square a minus cosec square a value. Yes, you know the value of this will be minus 1. So it will be minus 11. Yes or no? Yes. Because we know the identity that 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Transportation. Yes, doing transposition. So you will get cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equals to minus 1. So instead of this, you can write minus 1. So 11 into minus 1 will be minus 11. Yes or no? Very easy question. Yes, now read next question. The distance between these 2 points from the origin. Okay, we know the distance formula. Yes, what was the distance formula? Under root x2 minus x1 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1. For that we need 2 points coordinate. Yes or no? Yes. The first point is given. Second point is also given. Yes, origin. What is the coordinate of origin? 0, 0. So for this we can let this as x2 and we can let this as x1, y2 and y1. So we are putting the values in the formula. So it is going to be, since m sin theta minus 0 is again m sin theta, so we can directly write m square sin square theta. Yes or no? Squaring this plus minus square is also positive, so it is again going to be m square cos square theta. Yes or no, learners? Yes. Under root m square. In bracket you will have sin square theta plus cos square theta, and we know this identity that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So putting the value of, instead of sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1. So m square into 1 again m square, and under root of m square will be m unit. So distance between the points is m unit. Yes or no, learners? This is clear to you? Yes. Now trying question number 9. Read it out. Yes, learners, read question number 9. Yes. The volume of a hemispherical container having diameter this. For that we need to know what is the volume of the hemisphere. Yes, volume of hemisphere is equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube, and here the value of r is 42 over 2. That is going to be 21 because the diameter is given. Yes or no? Yes. Now if you simplify it, it will be 44 into this 3 and 7 will combine, cancel 21 one time, and we will still have 21 square, and 2 into 22 will be 44. Okay, 44 into 441. Yes or no? 21 square will be 441. So it is going to be 9404. 19404. I had done the multiplication. Okay, what will be the unit? Yes, unit will be centimeter cube. Yes. Okay, here there is no centimeter cube. कोई भी ऑप्शन में सेंटीमीटर क्यूब तो है ही नहीं. Yes or no, learners? Yes. Now we should know the conversion. You should know that 1 centimeter is equals to, 1 decimeter is equals to 10 centimeter. This is the conversion we know. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. तो यहाँ से 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10⁻⁻1 डेसीमीटर आएगा, यस और नो। अगर मुझे इतने सेंटीमीटर क्यूब को डेसीमीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करना होगा तो मैं 10⁻³ से मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी, यस और नो। यस लर्नर्स, सो इट विल बी 19.404 डेसीमीटर क्यूब। कि मिलीमीटर क्यूब में तो बहुत छोटा बड़ा आंसर हो जाएगा। कितने जीरोस लग जाएंगे? 3 जीरोस और लग जाएंगे। अच्छा, सेंटीमीटर बड़ा होता है कि डेसीमीटर बड़ा होता है? यस, डेसीमीटर बड़ा होता है, तभी तो क्या लिखा है, 1 डेसीमीटर में 10 सेंटीमीटर है। दिस इज क्लियर, तो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी। ओके लर्नर्स, दिस इज क्लियर टू यू। You should know the unit conversion. If you don't know how to convert one unit to another unit, you can comment and ask. I will make a separate video for that. Okay? Yes. Now see question number 10. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle this. Okay, if the triangles are similar, their angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, yes or no? It means angle A barabar angle D, so this is going to be 50. If this is 50, this is 60, this is going to be how much? 70. Yes or no learners? Yes. Okay, they are asking angle E is corresponding to angle B, and angle E and angle B are equal, so this is also 70. Which option? D option. Yes or no learners? Yes. Now see question number 11. द कॉमन डिफरेंस ऑफ द AP. ओके, हमें निकालना है, क्या निकालना है? कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालना है। निकाल लेंगे भाई, हमें सब आता है। यस, हाँ, द कॉमन डिफरेंस ऑफ द AP हैविंग -23 एज 25th टर्म, मतलब हमें 5th टर्म दी है, कितनी है? -23। 5th टर्म कैन बी रिटर्न एज A + 4D, गिवन है 23 माइनस का 23। एंड 10th टर्म कैन बी रिटर्न एज A + 9D, दिस इज गिवन एज -48. Yes or no? Yes. Now subtracting these equations, you will get A will cancel this A. The sign is going to be changed. So it is how many times? How many? -5D is equals to 15. Yes or no? Or 25? No, it is 25. Negative or positive? Positive 25. So the value of D is -5. It means this is an decreasing AP. Yes, very good. Okay, which option is correct? Yes, learners, tell me. Option A. Okay. Now read next question. HCF of the largest 2-digit composite number. Largest 2-digit composite number is 99. Okay, and the smallest 2-digit prime number. Smallest 2-digit prime number is 11. इसका क्या निकालना है हमें? HCF तो 11 ही आएगा. Which option? D option. चलो आगे चलो. Yes. The value of k for which this has real roots, equal roots मतलब डिस्क्रिमिनेंट बराबर 0. इक्वल रूट्स की यही कंडीशन होती है, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट बराबर 0. यहाँ से पुट कर लो, यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा? b² इज इक्वल्स टू 4ac. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ b इज गिवन एज -8. -8² विल बी 64. 4 इंटू a की वैल्यू दी है हमें k-2 और c की वैल्यू दी है हमें 16. यस और नो? यस. इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई इट, दिस विल कैंसिल दिस. यस, बच्चे गलती क्या करेंगे? पूरा काट पीट के यहाँ के लिख देंगे 0, बट क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? 1 इज इक्वल्स टू k-2. यस और नो? यस, 1 इज इक्वल्स टू k-2. k की वैल्यू आ गई 3. विच ऑप्शन? यस, the A option is correct. चलो आगे चलो. Yes learners, read question number 14. Only 6 questions left. Yes. Okay, the solution. We need to find out the solution. Solution we can find out by either elimination method or substitution method. If you add these two equations, you will get 6x is equals to 12. The value of x is 2. Which option? The option number A. Yes or no? Yes. This is clear. If you add the equation, 2y is eliminated by 2y because they are the opposite sign and the same coefficient of y. So the in adding these will cancel each other because -2 + 2 becomes 0. Okay, 3 + 3 6 and 8 + 4 12. So the value of x is 2. If the value of x is 2, put in this equation, you will get the value of y as 1. Which option? A option. चले आगे. Yes. If the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point is, दो टेंजेंट के बीच में क्या एंगल है? 60 डिग्री. इफ मोर स्पेस एंड द स्पेस इज हेयर. यस. ओके, मेकिंग फिगर विथ अनदर कलर. Okay, let this point as A, let this point as B and this as C. These are the B and C are the point of contact, and we know that tangent make an angle with the radius as 90 degree. Okay, now see this. We have this complete angle because the angle between the two tangents is given as 60 degree. So we know these two triangles are congruent. So this will be the half of 60, that is 30 degree. Yes or no? And this is a right angle triangle. So we can apply the trigonometric relation. Yes or no? Yes. What they are asking to find out? The length of the tangent. The length of the tangent means AB. Yes or no? Okay. Which trigonometric relation have base and perpendicular? Because here this will be acting as a perpendicular and this is acting like a base. Okay. Tan theta gives us the relation between perpendicular and base. From here you will get the value of AB, yes, what is the value of AB? Yes, root 3r. The value of AB is root 3r. Yes, learners, see this. Which option is correct? Yes, yes, very good. The option C is the correct answer. Yes or no? Yes. Now see question number 16. The triangle, area of triangle ABC निकालना है हमें. ABC और एंगल B कितना दिया है हमें? 90 डिग्री दिया है और हमें साथ में कंडीशन दी है कि AB बराबर BC. इफ we can apply Pythagoras theorem to find out the value of x. Yes, very good. X square plus x square is equals to 4 square. 4 square is 16. 2x square is equals to 16. The value of x square is 8. The value of x is 2 root 2. x की कितनी वैल्यू आ गई? 2 root 2. The value of x is 2 root 2. Yes or no? Yes. We need to find out the area. The area formula is half into base into height. Here the base and height is of same length, that is 2 root 2 square. Okay, simplifying it, you will get 2 into 2, that will be 4. So the area of the triangle will be 4 centimeter square. Yes or no, learners? This is clear to you? Okay, now read the next question. Yes, these three numbers are in AP, so they should have the relation that 2B is equals to A plus C. Yes or no? Yes. 2 into B. Okay, 2 into this will be, okay, I am directly multiplying this. So it will be 4x square plus 10kx plus 12 is equals to, adding these two, will be equals to 4x square plus 10x plus 12. Yes or no? Adding these two. Okay, cancelling some terms, like terms. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. 4x square, 10kx, no, because we need to find out the value of k. K can be any number. Okay, cancelling 12 by 12. Okay, so we will have 10kx is equals to 10x. From here you will get the value of k as 1. Which option? A option. Yes or no, learners? Yes. Now see next question. 18. Two different coins are tossed. The probability of getting at most 2 head. At most मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 head आने चाहिए. 2 head means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 ही head आ सकते हैं. उससे ज़्यादा तो head ही नहीं आ सकते because there are 2 coins. So it is a sure event, certain event. Yes or no? Yes. It means their probability will be 1. Yes or no, learners? I had read the question. I should read the question carefully. Here it is. 2 different coins, not 3. Yes. Now the next assertion reason. If the area of the sector of a circle having central angle 100 degree is this, then the area is this. हमें पता है कि एरिया ऑफ सर्कल कितना होता है? पाई आर स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ सर्कल क्या होता है? पाई आर स्क्वायर. वेरी गुड. एंड एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर क्या होता है? एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर होता है थीटा अपॉन 360 पाई आर स्क्वायर. दिस इज वी ऑलरेडी नो. अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन क्वेश्चन 100 अपॉन 360 पाई आर स्क्वायर की वैल्यू हमें दी है 385. तो हमसे क्या पूछा है? पाई आर स्क्वायर की वैल्यू. तो हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? 385 इंटू 18 अपॉन 5. कैंसिलिंग दिस इट विल बी 7 एंड ओके 7. Okay, 77. It is 77. Yes, multiply 77 by 18. Yes, 77 into 18. It is going to be 1386. Yes. So assertion is correct. Yes or no, learners? Yes, assertion is correct. Okay. Now read the reason, whether it is correct or not, or whether it is explaining it or not. The area of the sector of a circle of radius r and the central angle this is given as this. Yes, area of sector का formula यही होता है. Yes, it is correct. And is it explaining? Yes. So which option is correct? Option A is the correct answer for this question. Why is it explaining? Because it somehow tells us the relation between the area and the area of the sector. Area of the circle and the area of the sector. So it is explaining the first statement. By using this statement, we already we got the area of the circle now, right? So we can apply the relation. Okay. Now see 20th question. Okay, this system represent coincident lines. Coincident lines means infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution मतलब a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Does these equations satisfy this relation? See this, 1 minus 1 upon 15 is equals to no. Yes. See this. Okay, first we need to rearrange the equations. Yes, so the first equation is given as x plus 5y minus 7 equals to 0, and the second equation is minus 3x minus 15y plus 5 is equal to 0. From this we can directly see that these are parallel lines. Yes or no? Yes, parallel lines means the system is inconsistent. तो assertion तो हो गया wrong. Assertion क्या हो गया? Wrong. So if assertion is wrong and reason is correct, which option? assertion is false but reason is correct, so the option D is the correct option. Okay learners, सो आज की वीडियो में हमने कितने क्वेश्चंस कर लिए? 20 क्वेश्चंस कर लिए हैं। अगर आपको ऐसे ही एमसीक्यू की और प्रैक्टिस करनी है सो कमेंट एमसीक्यू, मैं आपके लिए और भी वीडियोस पोस्ट करूँगी। ओके लर्नर्स, बाय।